Enjoy a hands-free experience with the LightView Pro Flex 2-in-1 LED magnifying lamp from Brightech. This amazing magnifying desk lamp is perfect for any hobbies where you need a bit more visibility. Whether you're reading, drawing, or simply doing your nails, this lamp allows you to see the finer details. It's light, compact, and portable, so you can move it around your house or workspace easily. Clamp it onto a table or desk, or use the stand to place the light in the location of your choosing. And the flexible gooseneck allows you to get the light just where you need it. With 9 watts of super bright LEDs, you'll be able to see every detail in front of you. Check out the LightView Pro Flex 2-in-1 LED magnifying lamp from Brightech. Your eyes will thank you.
Do you struggle to read tiny prints on coupons, prescriptions, engravings, or newspapers? If yes, say hello to iMagnify. iMagnify offers the perfect solution to macular degeneration or similar eye problems. Designed to eliminate the problem of reading small text with the help of 2 bright LED lights. Our magnifying glasses are manufactured using premium materials, are powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included, and comes with a cleaning cloth to keep the lenses smudge-free. They're portable, durable, and offer a super easy lens switching and battery replacement process. The iMagnify comes with 2 lenses, a large 3.5-inch lens with 5x magnification and a smaller 2-inch lens with 10x magnification. To change the lens, simply push on the 2 side buttons, take out the previous lens, and insert the new lens. To replace the battery, push the base and pry off the handle to open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries accordingly and replace the handle. Simple as that.